It is a setback for Johnson & Johnson, one person in its vaccine trial with an unexplained illness. It's not uncommon, especially in such a huge trial with 60,000 participants. The company says it has temporarily paused further dosing in all its trials. It's investigating whether the illness is related to the vaccine. The patient could have received a placebo. And it says such illnesses are an expected part of clinical studies. AstraZeneca also paused its vaccine trials temporarily after 2 participants fell ill last month, one with serious spinal inflammation. Experts say it's a good sign that vaccines are not being pushed out hastily.
The public can know that there is an independent data board that's going to be looking at this, and we know in Canada that Health Canada is not going to authorize a vaccine that is not safe for public use.
The whole world wants a vaccine, but there are concerns about safety being compromised by politics. The U.S. president wanted to announce a vaccine before the U.S. election, though he acknowledges now it may not be approved on his timetable.
I think we should have it before the election, but frankly, the politics gets involved, and that's okay. They want to play their games. It's going to be right after the election.
Still, the scale of the research worldwide is astonishing. Vaccine trials at different stages are happening in laboratories from France to the United States and from Brazil to Germany. In all, around 100 vaccines are being developed.
成为2期临床试验中
And human tests are underway on volunteers from China to the UK to Australia. More than 40 vaccines are in clinical human trials.
I don't think there's been anything of this scale before.
Another hopeful sign, 180 countries have committed to the World Health Organization's effort to finance vaccines so countries rich and poor will get them.
It sets a good example for believing in and trying to achieve equitable access of vaccines.
Meantime, Canadian officials are confident in the Johnson & Johnson evaluation.
I'm sure people will resume the trial as soon as they are satisfied that patient safety isn't compromised.
COVID-19 research is happening with remarkable speed as the world waits for a vaccine that will both protect from the virus and do no harm. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.